Welcome back to the Roles in Pharma series on Help Me GMP. In this video, we're giving you a clear and practical look at what the head of production does. If you've ever wondered what it takes to lead in a sterile manufacturing setting, where compliance, output, and safety all need to align, this is the video for you. Sterile medicines aren't just clean, they're critical. From chemotherapy and antibiotics to supportive treatments, these products help hospitals care for patients safely and on time. The head of production leads the team that makes this all possible. So what does a typical day look like? The day often starts with a quick team meeting to review priorities and check on production performance. Then it's about keeping things moving, supporting batch progress, reviewing documents, speaking with quality colleagues about any issues, and making sure everything runs to plan. You'll also spend time looking ahead. Training, projects, and long-term planning all fall under your role. Here are some of the key areas a head of production manages. Clean room and contamination control. You make sure everything runs according to good manufacturing practice, Annex 1, and clean room standards, workflow and layout. You plan how people and materials move through the facility in a safe and compliant way. Team development. From hiring to training, you build the team's skills and culture. Oversight and planning. You don't just manage the day-to-day, you keep an eye on data, trends, and long-term goals. Equipment and maintenance. You work closely with the engineering team to make sure isolators and other equipment stay qualified and working. New product introduction. You help launch new medicines, including validation and process testing. Testing support. You work with quality control to plan sample testing and make sure results support batch release. Investigations. If something goes wrong, like an environmental alarm, you help find out why and fix it. Communication. You update other teams like pharmacy, quality, and senior leaders with the information they need. Regulatory readiness. You keep the site ready for inspections and ahead of changes in the rules. Things go wrong in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It's just reality. The difference is how you handle it. As head of production, people look to you. Stay calm, make clear decisions, and keep the team confident. That kind of leadership builds trust and gets results. You might hear people talk about production versus quality, but that's the wrong mindset. These teams should work together. Shared goals, clear roles, and trust between departments lead to smoother operations and better outcomes for patients. It's not a competition, it's a partnership. Culture starts with the leader. You set the tone by coaching your team, including them in audits, and building confidence. When people feel trusted and supported, safety and compliance follow naturally. Not because they have to, but because they want to. To measure success, you track things like right first-time documentation, on-time in full delivery, clean room environmental data. These numbers show how the system is working and where you can improve. Even small changes make a big difference. Swapping paper logs for digital, updating workflows, or improving a transfer step can all add up. One change might save a minute per batch. Multiplied over the year, that's real impact. To succeed as head of production, you need to apply good manufacturing practice in real-world decisions, stay calm and lead under pressure, build a strong team culture, work hand-in-hand with quality teams, think across the whole system, not just today's tasks, but future needs too. There's more than one path into this role. Some come from operations, others from pharmacy or quality. But the best leaders are curious, committed, and team-oriented. Leadership isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. If this video helped you understand the head of production role, click like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments. And if you're curious about qualified persons, check out our QP video as well. Thanks for watching Help Me GMP.